This is the third one. I've disconnected the Z-axis and I've plugged the Z stepper motor into the X port on the control board in the control. I've just run the test again and it's perfect. 0, 0, 0 on the head. X-axis now, because I'm disconnected the Z, so I'm using the X-axis to control the Z stepper motor. Okay, so I'll just run that test again. Again, smooth, not grating like the Z-axis, the Z-axis on the control board. Up and down a few more times, because on the other one it got bigger and bigger every time. Right, on this one, try to stop it as close as I can. 0.02, and the X-axis is 0.02, exactly the same. You said before that you think it's the control board on this unit here. You are probably right. The Z-axis in this board doesn't work properly. All the other axes do. So I don't know what you're going to do. Send me to the control board. I don't think we need. The stepper motors seem fine. Everything's fine about that. Thank you.